western Wisconsin, eastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 1:15 p.m. At 11:57 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wales to Milton, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, law enforcement. There have been numerous reports of tree damage and power outages. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Waukesha, Janesville, New Berlin, Brookfield, Muskego, Pleasant Prairie, Whitewater, Pewaukee, Fort Atkinson, Sussex, Elkhorn, Heartland, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Mukwonago, Delafield, Twin Lakes, Milton and Union Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. This is No Weather Radio, KZZ 57 in Rockford. Number 466 remains in effect until 6 p.m. and now includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock, and Walworth. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm watch number 466 remains. McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Big Bend to near East Troy to near Como to Darien to near Clinton, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukegan, North Chicago, Gurnee, Mundelein, Algonquin, McHenry, Belvedere, Vernon Hills, Woodstock, Zion, Loves Park, Grays Lake, Libertyville, Lake Zurich, Round Lake, Antioch, Beach Park, Waconda, Fox Lake, and Barrington. Including the following interstates: Interstate 90 between mile markers 38 and 60. Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 16. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 16. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds, Cheyenne Lake State Park, College of Lake County, Illinois Beach State Park, Lake County, Illinois Fairgrounds, McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, Moraine Hills State Park, and Six Flags Great America. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms are producing widespread damage across south-central Wisconsin. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The following is a special weather statement from the National Marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois. Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois. Nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island. Open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 3 p.m. At 12:06 p.m., a line of strong thunderstorms were located across south-central Wisconsin, moving southeast at 30 to 35 knots. These storms have a history of 30 to 45 knot winds over land. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Montrose Harbor and Winthrop Harbor. County in north-central Illinois, northern Lee County in north-central Illinois, DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, southern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, southwestern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, southern Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 2 p.m. At 1:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from New Hampshire to near Byron, moving south at 45 miles per hour. A gust front out ahead of the line of storms may produce damaging wind gusts ahead of the complex of storms. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Rockford, St. Charles, Oswego, Latavia, Belvidere, Sycamore, Yorkville, Dixon, Little Rock, Rochelle, Genoa, Oregon, Mount Morris, Shibona, Rockford Airport, DeKalb, Montgomery, North Aurora, and Sugar Grove. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 84 and 123. Interstate 88 between mile markers 45 and 118. Interstate 90 between mile markers 41 and 63. This includes Northern Illinois University, Aurora University, Boone County Fairgrounds, Castle Rock State Park, Illinois Math and Science Academy, Lee County Fairgrounds, Loudoun State Park, Ogle County Fairgrounds, Sauk Valley College, Walton Sea Community College, and White Pine State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms may occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking. This is NOAA Weather Radio. County in north-central Illinois, west-central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southern Lee County in north-central Illinois, southern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, northern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 2:45 p.m. At 2:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Plainfield to 7 miles northeast of Walnut, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Plainfield, St. Charles, Oswego, Latavia, Geneva, Ottawa, Yorkville, Streator, Little Rock, Channahon, Minooka, Plano, Peru, Sandwich, Mendota, Marseilles, Oglesby, and Seneca. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 41 and 92. Interstate 55 between mile markers 248 and 253. Interstate 80 between mile markers 73 and 103, in between mile markers 119 and 128. Interstate 88 between mile markers 98 and 117. This includes Sandwich Fairgrounds, Aurora University, Buffalo Rock State Park, Illinois Math and Science Academy, Illini State Park, Illinois Valley Community College, Joliet Junior College, Lee County Fairgrounds, Mathewson State Park, Starved Rock State Park, Tri-County Fairgrounds, and Waubonsee Community College. Wind damage with these storms may occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside. A special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana, Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 4:30 p.m. At 2:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 28 nautical miles northwest of Michigan City to 9 nautical miles south of Montrose Harbor, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated and confirmed by spotters and observations. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Severe thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters.